Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try to do this and hold the camera at the same time, but let's see what we got. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me yet again. If I can get that out today, we are up here at the shop. Let me see if I can zoom in there. We at the shop, y'all. So y'all already know we finna get it in with a few things. I gave like a little Insta story. I don't know what you call it on YouTube when you do like a little 60-second thing, but y'all already know I got some Billet Tech pieces that came in. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit of secret of how I operate once we get into the video, but I'm gonna let the Jeep cool off. I just pulled up just since we gonna be working in the engine bay. We definitely do not want it spicy hot, that is, because I ain't trying to burn myself. Y'all already know what it is. So let me go ahead and pop the hood. We gonna take a look, and then we gonna do some befores and afters, and y'all already know how we rocking with it. So if y'all haven't already and y'all are just tuning into this channel, make sure y'all subscribe. Also hit that notification bell because y'all ain't gonna want to miss everything I got going on. If you want to see more of me rolling around in this blue Jeep, or if you interested in the decal business and what I got going on over there, y'all, today I got tongue twisters. Okay, if y'all want to see what I got going on in any of those areas, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. But we gonna pop the trunk, we gonna pop the hood. Y'all, I'm off today. Let's see. First, let me do a little walk around for those that new to the channel. If you new to the channel, let me just show y'all. And I am, forgive me, I did not air it out, but we'll do all that. You already know what it is. Y'all can go watch a few videos of me airing out. I need to put my hitch back on, but... And if y'all haven't, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Alright, enough of that. Let's get this thing cooling down. So we finna change all of this out, y'all, most of it. So I'm pretty excited about it. Alright, y'all, so the Jeep has cooled down for about, probably been like 40 minutes. And I think we are ready to get started. So let me tell y'all what we gonna need in this tutorial today, so that y'all can make sure that y'all can do this to y'all stuff. And this can be applied to more than just Jeeps, Chargers, Challengers, anybody that can have Billet technology pieces. You can watch this video and do the same thing to your whip. So make sure that y'all stay tapped in. So first thing we need, we're gonna have like an old rag or one that's not that clean. We got some 3M tape, and you already know we got some alcohol because we're gonna spray down the engine bay before we get started, because we will have to apply the 3M tape on top of a few parts, and then we will save the ones with set screws for last so that we can move faster. And of course, you already know what else y'all need. You need the box of goods. Let's go ahead and spray down some of this stuff. And we just want to make it so that no dust or old debris is on here that will cause the 3M to not stick to it. So a few other pieces that I'm gonna wipe down. I cannot hold the camera at the same time, but I will be right back.
A few moments later.
And now the engine bay is nice and wiped down. I actually went overboard. I wiped down the supercharger and stuff. So now let's go take a look at the pieces. What I think I might do, because I want to do the set screws last, is I'm going to look in this box and I'm going to unwrap everything and then see which ones have set screws so that we can put those to the side. These are all the pieces laid out. I'm not gonna put the water neck on there right now because I don't have the killer glass, and I don't think I'll be able to get that in time for my next show. So this will be a separate install. So we're gonna go ahead. These are the pieces without set screws. This one has a set screw in it, so I'm gonna put it over there. And I know y'all probably wondering, where did she get all these pieces from if she ain't buy it directly from Billet Technology? Well, guess what, y'all? It'd be a ton of people that be modding their Jeeps and they end up selling them. So guess what? You're not finna take your Jeep back to the dealership with all the mods that you didn't put on there. So when I know somebody finna be selling their Jeep, guess what? I'm all up in the DMs trying to see what you reporting out so that your girl can have first dibs on it. So I looked up on these Billet Technology pieces as well as a Black Ops splitter. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for another YouTube video to see me installing that. But like I said, make sure that y'all are on top of who's doing what, and especially in the Jeep community, because it's a little bit smaller. It's harder to find the parts that you want, but when people are getting rid of it, got to make sure that you stay on top of it. So your girl was on top of it, and that's how I won on this stuff. So we're gonna keep installing because, like I said, I'm pretty excited, and the person that I got the parts from, she's gonna come to the shop tomorrow, so I'm gonna make sure I bring up the Jeep. She's looking forward to seeing it. So shout out to SRT Pamela. She already been upgraded, so we probably gonna check out what she got. If y'all ain't been following me, then y'all don't know what she got, but I done said it on a previous video. And you know what, now that I think about it, I don't know if I ever said what she does have on my channel, so forgive me, y'all. She was supposed to be on the channel a while ago, but I'm gonna make sure that I get her back on here, and once I see her, I will get some footage of what she got so that y'all can check her out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lay down these 3M strips. You can see, because this was previously on, they have some strips here which still have a little stick to them, but we're gonna go ahead and lay down a few more so that it gives it a nice firm hold. Ooh, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, taking that red stuff off was a pain. Okay, let's take this over here. It's on there. One recommendation is just to make sure that you lift it up, push it down really hard to give it a nice good seal. I do have it double-sided a lot on here just because I have extra wires running for the Whipple supercharger, so it's lifted up just a little bit, which is creating like a slight slant, but I think we should be okay there. This one, so this 392 is gonna go right here, and we're just gonna slide that on. I already have the double-sided tape there, and I don't know if I'm able to do this with one hand, but essentially I'm gonna slide. Sorry, it's a truck coming. It's a truck, y'all. But essentially I'm gonna slide that on there. Let me put down the camera so I can do it, so I don't mess up this powder coating, but this goes on really easy as well. And bam, so that's on there. Like I said, it just slides on there, but you got to give it a little bit of pressure. So right now, this is how we looking. Let's keep working this. See which the next one that we want to do. Maybe we'll do this one next. Alright, y'all, so I was supposed to be putting the radiator cap on, but y'all see I have the 2, and this actually has like the 4, so I'm gonna have to go buy one from the auto parts store so I can put that on. But that's how it would look. So it's coming together. Okay, so since we can't put this on, we're gonna wrap that one back up, but now we're gonna move on to the pieces with the Allen or the set screws in there, and I don't think y'all can see that, but there's the set screw there. So I went and got the Allen wrench keys, so I'm gonna see which one works, and we're gonna go ahead and install the rest of these. And y'all, these are really easy. So, oh my goodness, I need to turn my Ring doorbell off for real. So you literally just sit that on there, snaps on, and I'm gonna go get the Allen wrench tool. And I found the right key for it. And what we're gonna do is take it and then I'm gonna screw it in. And I can't do this at the same time, so, but that's pretty much the process for that one. So we'll get a few more of these on. All right, next up, let's do windshield wiper fluid. There. This one, you can see that it's plastic at the back, so literally just gonna take it and slide it out there. And I'm actually gonna keep that one just in case I wanna, if I'm ever parting out, I'll have a replacement. All right, y'all, we finna get ready to do the oil. But Pat said this one's tricky, so, oh, get on this side.
Kind of hold it so it doesn't flop around so much.
Okay.
Help us around for I walk back.
Okay, so a light tap.
Like that. We got a new one. Something there, we got it all the way in. We just got to take it back out.
Alright, y'all, so Pat is helping us sister out. He's finishing up the oil piece, so y'all see what he just did. Light taps, and then take the yellow thing off, put your new Billet pieces on, and make sure that that pin is in there. We are just about done, so I think we probably got 3 more pieces or so. A few of the pieces I won't be able to put on tonight. Let me know what y'all think so far. Y'all feeling the blue pieces? I thought that my underhood looked a little bit plain, so just trying to spruce it up for when I go to car shows and I'm opening the hood. Alright, y'all, now I appreciate y'all rocking with me. If y'all did not see, let me give y'all a close-up. I did not get a chance to put on all the pieces, but I will. Y'all make sure that y'all stay tapped into my channel, because once I go to the show, I'll have it all blue. But I did want to try to put some on and show y'all a quick scoop.